As the saying goes, you're better off building a $10 hole for a $1 plant than a $1 hole for a $10 plant. In order for your plants to perform at their absolute best, they need a nutritious, moist, microbiologically rich base to draw from.
Seamungus is a plant and soil conditioner and a health tonic for all plant and soil types. It combines beneficial microbes, fish, seaweed, humic acid and manure to create the perfect growing environment all year round and building resilience to heat, drought, frost, pests and diseases. Apply Seamungus every 6 to 8 weeks all year round, but especially during winter.
Start by pre-soaking the soil, then scatter the pellets around the drip line of the plant, keeping them a few centimetres away from the base of the stem or trunk. Always water in well to activate the breakdown process. Seamungus is ideal for all planting situations as well, whether in a pot or the ground. Put a good handful of Seamungus pellets at the bottom of the planting hole. Cover with a small amount of soil, then add your plant and backfill with the rest of the soil, finishing with a good water.
Seamungus is suitable for all plant types, including natives and acid-loving plants.
It holds up to 70% of its weight in moisture, boosting the soil's ability to retain water and nutrients, supporting strong root development and helping plants perform their absolute best.
For more information, visit the Nutrog website or call into your local garden centre to shop the Nutrog range.